Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who do not know me, my name is Rhea, and today we're going to have a very cute video. So I'm going to be recreating one of my favorite childhood pictures and also doing the hair. So let's not waste time, let's have fun.
Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight, long weave, so in, say it again, so.
Hi guys, welcome back to another new video. So today I am going to be recreating my childhood hairstyle. I'm natural and I've already blow dried my hair and sectioned my hair into 12 parts. In this video I'll just make sure that my lines are just more defined, and I will be using Afro Total Hair Collection hairpiece. I've got just 2 packs. So I hope this should be enough, but without any further ado, let's do this.
So I'm going to start by unraveling my twists. I'm just going to concentrate on the first 4 parts because they are kind of interlinked. So if I need to make sure that my line is straight, I would have to untie all 4 parts and then just make sure that they fit my face correctly. I'm going to take my hairbrush, brush out the ends, make my hair nice and smooth before I take on the hairpiece. And I'm going to take my hairpiece, and this is how it looks like. Just make sure that you brush it out first before you use it. I'm going to take my hairband to secure the parts, just to see how it would look like once I've got all the braids in. Once you've chosen the thickness of the hairpiece, you're going to separate them and make sure that they're in a cross pattern and plait like you would normally plait the braid. Okay guys, so we can clearly see that my lines were not perfect, but I'm not going to worry about this time because the lines weren't really the focal point. But if you really do care about the straightness of the lines and you want to make sure that your hair lasts forever, then you should make sure that your lines are straight. And then once you reach the end of your hair, you need to separate the braiding hairpiece into 3 parts and then continue until you reach the ends. And then I repeat the same steps again, put the hairpiece around the section that I made and then braid like I normally do using my hair as the 3rd piece. Once my hair finishes, then I need to separate the hairpiece into 3 parts until I reach the ends. And this is basically repetition. You'll be obviously making sure that your sections are perfect before you put your hair tie, and take your hairpiece and braid until you are done. Okay guys, so clearly this hair just popped out. Don't worry, I actually do fix it later on, and if you get this mistake, you'd have to start all over and braid again.
Okay guys, so this is the final look. I mean, for my first time doing my own braids, this is not bad, but it's not perfect as well because some braids are bigger, but you won't see that on camera. And then the ends, I'm just gonna tie them with ease. I got them at Discount and they were 16 rands. So let me just put them back, and then it's time for me to do my makeup. Okay guys, so I've put back my hair and I've done my brows off camera.
I'm just going to take my usual concealer and just put it all over my eyelids as a base. I'm then going to reach out for my powder foundation and just set my concealer just for a smooth surface, and then reach out for my Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette and just use this orange eyeshadow just to bring some definition around the eyes. This is basically a one eyeshadow look. Then just put my foundation on top of my face. I basically put a lot, but I just did this because I was going to be taking pictures later on. So just had to make sure your girl was covered. Obviously, I'm going to use a damp sponge and just dab the foundation into my skin everywhere, including my neck. Don't ever forget your neck. Then it's time for some concealer, just to brighten up the point where I just want to highlight, obviously underneath my eyes, forehead, chin and nose. I'm then going to take my powder foundation again and set underneath my eyes, making sure that I'm dabbing underneath my eyes just to make sure that there's no creases whatsoever, and then my forehead and chin, basically where I actually put my concealer. I'm then going to contour with a darker powder foundation from Essence, and yes, I use my old bank card just to make sure that my line is very crisp, and then make sure that it is symmetrical on both cheeks, and then obviously I do brush out the harsh lines later on. And then I'm going to reach out for my peachier blush and just add some color more on top of my face. I contour using my Fenty stick in the shade Truffle, and I basically just draw 2 lines and contour the tip of my nose and smooth that out. I'm going to line my eyes and then put on my lashes, and then obviously use my setting spray just to take away the powdery look. I'm then going to grab my Huda Beauty and just put some eyeshadow underneath my lower lids. I basically used orange, brown and orange tones just to give some smoky, sultry definition underneath my lower lids. Once I'm done coating my lashes with mascara, I'm going to take my highlighter brush and just wet it with some setting spray and put it on where my highlighter is actually going to be. This makes my highlighter pop when I put it on a wet surface. I'm then going to use my lip liner just to line my lips. And then grab a peach nude lipstick just to fill in my lips. Add my second lipstick and then lip gloss, obviously just to tie up the whole look. And then I lay my edges with a Revlon gel and a baby toothbrush.
Okay guys, so I've laid my edges and I removed my bandana, and this is how the final look turned out. I am going to go get changed, look cute, and that's about it. So I'll just see you right now. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I've already put on my pigtails and they look so cute. I'm trying to let my braids get straightened, so I'm just gonna pull them like this. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this get ready with me creating my old pig look. And you know what, for my first time braids, guys, I've done a good job. It's not perfect, obviously some of my hair is just coming out, but it's just ends that I need to cut. So I've figured a way just to pull them back while I am just speaking to you guys. But yes guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you on my next video. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe.